Did you know, on average, a single well-crafted campaign brings in an order rate of 0.41%? When done well, email marketing is powerful. But if you're new to campaigns, it can feel overwhelming. Where do you even start? That was the question we asked when we analyzed over 143,000 Klaviyo brands across all industries and sizes. What do the successful businesses have in common? They all follow these 3 best practices. Best practice number 1, aim to send 8 campaigns a month. Yep, we said it, 8 campaigns. The average person needs to see a brand, product, or service 7 times before they buy. This is known as the rule of 7. But if 8 feels like a lot right now, start with 1 email a week. Our research shows that you can drive growth with just 1 campaign a week and build to that magic 8 number from there. The key is consistency. Now, let's talk about what kind of content you should include in those campaigns. Best practice number 2, create a varied campaign strategy. Conversions are the end goal, but the journey starts with fostering engagement and driving traffic to your site. To foster engagement, send snackable content that adds value to your subscribers and subtly shows how your brand fits into your subscribers' lives. Think makeup tutorials, birthday party ideas for a kid's brand, or recipes using your product. Then, integrate traffic-driving content to attract visitors on your site. Think emails around product launch announcements, new seasonal collections, your best-selling products, and key collaborations. And lastly, make sure you're sending conversion-driving promotions to keep your product front of mind and encourage your customers and subscribers to buy. Here is where you would highlight any ongoing sales, special offers, or extensions of previous promotions. Best practice number 3, track, analyze, and adapt. Not all campaigns are created equal. Keep an eye on what types of content resonate most with your customers. Is engagement dipping on snackable content? Try promoting long-form content like blogs through email, and shorter content like an Instagram post through SMS. Are your traffic-driving campaigns not increasing revenue per customer? Try A/B testing your subject lines to see which message connects with your audience. And are your promotions not quite converting? Segment your email list and target your most engaged subscribers. By following these tips and tracking your results, you'll be well on your way to launching successful email campaigns. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more of our marketing best practices. In the meantime, want to dive deeper? Check the description below for links to training on email and SMS campaign strategies that turn subscribers into loyal fans.